Okay, so I stumbled upon this CLI utility toolkit called UT, and it's a game changer for developers.
Wait, a CLI toolkit. What makes it stand out? I mean, there are plenty of those out there.
Right, but this one bundles a ton of commonly used tools into a single binary. No more hunting for multiple utilities.
That's interesting. So it's like having a Swiss Army knife. What kind of tools are we talking about?
Exactly, it's got everything from encoding and hashing to text processing and even generating UUIDs. Super handy.
I can see the appeal there. But doesn't that also mean the learning curve might be a bit steep?
Good point, but you just run help to see all tools available, so it's pretty user-friendly.
Oh, so it's accessible even for beginners. That's a relief. What's the installation process like?
Super simple, you just use Cargo to install it directly from GitHub. One command and you're set.
Nice, but what if someone is just curious about a specific tool? Is documentation easy to find?
Definitely, you can type tool help for specific documentation, so it's all about quick access.
That's pretty convenient. What about the encoding features? I assume it can handle base 64.
You got it, it can both encode and decode base 64. It even supports URL-safe encoding.
Wow, that's super useful. But I wonder if there are any limitations to the encoding process.
Well, it can read from files or STDIN, but I guess it depends on how complex the input is.
That makes sense. And what about hashing algorithms? Can it handle cryptographic security?
Yep, it supports multiple algorithms like MD5, SHA-1, and SHA-256. They're pretty standard.
Interesting. But I'm curious. Does it mention anything about the security of those algorithms?
Not specifically called out, but MD5 and SHA-1 are considered less secure nowadays.
Exactly. So we should be cautious using those for sensitive data. What else can it do?
It generates UUIDs in several versions too, plus random tokens. Perfect for secure applications.
UUIDs are crucial for unique identifiers. I can see this being useful in many projects.
Totally, and it even generates lorem ipsum text, which is great for mockups.
Lol classic, but doesn't it seem a bit gimmicky? I mean, who really needs that?
Fair point, but for designers and developers, it can save a lot of time when creating layouts.
That's true. It's like a quick fix when you need to fill space without real content.
Exactly, plus it has tools for text processing like converting text cases, super handy.
Oh, so it's like a text transformer too. That could save time on formatting in code.
Right, you can change case formats with just a command, saves digging through code.
I can see how that would be a lifesaver. But are there any downsides to this utility?
Well, it's not a graphical interface, so it's not for everyone, but that's the nature of CLI tools.
True, some people prefer a GUI, though I wonder if it limits the user base.
Absolutely, but for those who love the command line, this is a treasure trove.
For sure, it's fascinating how a single binary can encompass so much functionality.
And it's cross-platform too, works on Windows, macOS, and Linux.
That's a big plus. Makes it more versatile for different developer environments.
Right, and the fact it's built with Rust means it's fast and efficient.
Rust is known for performance. I'm curious, though, what's the trade-off there?
Well, it might require more familiarity with Rust syntax, but it pays off for performance.
Good to know. It's exciting to see such tools evolve. Any final thoughts on this?
I think it's a fantastic utility for anyone working in development, definitely worth checking out.
Absolutely. It's a great example of how efficiency can be built into our workflows.
Yeah, and it makes me wonder what other combinational tools might be out there.
For sure, it's a reminder of how we can simplify complex tasks with clever design.
Exactly, it's like discovering a new gadget that just makes everything easier.
Totally. I'll have to dive into this toolkit and see what I can create.